Hi, here is a quick video on what are EDI managed services. A managed service lets you outsource an entire operation to a service provider. Even in the case of EDI, you will find services that fully manage your EDI operations. It will include onboarding your trading partners, integrating EDI, and providing technical and business support. Who needs EDI managed services? Small businesses who don't have an understanding of EDI can benefit from a managed service. It gets the job done for a smaller fee and also saves the trouble of learning about EDI. Medium and large businesses can also pick managed services to save themselves from increasing development costs and long turnaround times. Let's look at some of the benefits of EDI managed services. The first benefit is internal expertise and bandwidth. It can provide internal EDI expertise that is hard to find among modern developers and the bandwidth to maintain your EDI systems as you upscale. You will also receive 24/7 monitoring for system downtime issues and faster resolutions by your service provider. Another benefit is faster onboarding. The service providers will have the experience to provide short turnaround times for end to end integrations, and they may have pre built workflows from previous projects that may fit all your EDI requirements. And another benefit is easier payments. Paying a managed service provider will definitely be easier than having an in house team and managing their payrolls. EDI in-house versus EDI managed services. Here is a quick table to understand the differences between the two. For in-house EDI, you will have to build your own EDI environment from scratch, whereas managed services expertise is hard to get if you are looking to hire people, whereas most EDI experts today are already working with managed services. Issues are hard to predict, and visibility depends on how much the in house team has developed their EDI environment, whereas managed services already provide dashboards and solutions for issues that they have worked with in the past. Implementation can take a long time if you are starting in house from scratch. With managed services, you can actually get on board on day one and start your production. Cost is definitely cheaper for managed services today, considering you will require hardware, office space, workforce, servers, and many other things. Even for small EDI integrations, managed service will provide all inclusive prices. If you are looking for a good EDI managed service, make sure to check out their support as it would make a ton of difference in your EDA operations. Next, check for technology and make sure that they are up to date. Also, check out their pricing to ensure all your requirements are met with the best turnaround time and ROI. If you want to learn more about EDI managed services, you can visit our insights. I'll share the link below. You can also schedule a free demo where we can communicate your EDI requirements and create a plan that can get you on board. Happy integrations.